Searching for the best bread machine for fresh bread? Everything looks the same. Same shiny stainless steel, same 12 settings, same promises of fluffy loaves. But here's the thing, most of them overpromise and underdeliver. The real difference isn't in the photos, it's in how consistently they actually bake, how easy they are to clean, and whether your bread comes out edible on the first try. Product number 1. Cuisinart CBK-110NAS. Let's start with the Cuisinart CBK-110NAS, a sleek stainless steel machine that looks like it belongs in a professional kitchen. At around $150, it's mid-range, and what caught my eye is its 12 menu options and compact footprint. If you want a reliable, no-fuss machine that handles everything from basic white to pizza dough, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 12 preset programs mean you can make everything from whole wheat to jam without guessing. The LCD screen shows exactly where you are in the cycle, and the 60-minute keep warm function means your bread won't go cold if you get distracted. It bakes up to a 2-pound loaf, and with 3 crust settings, you can customize it to your family's taste. Plus, the nonstick pan and kneading paddle are removable, huge for cleanup. Now, some people complained about the plastic housing feeling a bit flimsy for the price. Here's the thing though, it's still sturdy enough for daily use, and the internal baking chamber is solid. The bigger issue? No delay timer. That means you can't set it up the night before for fresh bread in the morning. If you're someone who loves waking up to the smell of baking bread, this might frustrate you. This is perfect for you if you want a trusted brand with solid performance and don't mind starting the cycle manually. Skip this one if you need a delay timer or plan to bake gluten-free bread regularly. It doesn't have a dedicated setting. For the price, it's a dependable workhorse. Product number 2, Oipto 17-in-1 Bread Maker. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners, the Oipto 17-in-1. Priced at $127, it's packed with features you usually see in more expensive models. What stood out immediately? 17 preset programs, including jam, yogurt, and gluten-free, and a 15-hour delay timer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're new to bread making, the step-by-step automation takes all the guesswork out. Just dump in the ingredients, pick a setting, and walk away. The 600-watt motor ensures even heat distribution, so your bread rises properly and bakes evenly. And at just 50 decibels, it's quiet enough to run overnight without waking the house. The 2-pound capacity is great for families, and the nonstick pan makes cleanup a breeze. Now, some people complained about the machine pausing during long bakes due to overheat protection. Here's the thing though, it's actually a safety feature, not a flaw. It kicks in if the motor gets too hot and resumes after cooling. Just make sure it's in a well-ventilated spot. The downside? The interface isn't as intuitive as it could be. The buttons are small and the display is basic. This is perfect for you if you want maximum versatility and don't mind a slight learning curve. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler interface or have very limited counter space. It's a bit bulkier than it looks. For the features, it's a steal. Product number 3, Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B. Now, if Oipto's complexity felt overwhelming, this next one takes a simpler, more affordable approach. The Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B at just $89. Don't let the price fool you. It's got 19 preset programs, including rye, French, and gluten-free, and bakes up to a 2-pound loaf. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 15-hour delay timer and 60-minute keep warm function give you total control over timing. Want fresh bread ready when you get home from work? Set it in the morning. The compact design fits small kitchens, and the aluminum body keeps it lightweight. Plus, it uses less power than your oven. Great if you're trying to cut energy costs. Now, some people complained about inconsistent browning, especially on darker crust settings. Here's the thing though, this is common in budget machines. The heating element isn't as powerful or evenly distributed as higher-end models. You might need to experiment with settings to get it just right. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want variety and convenience. Skip this one if you're picky about crust color or plan to bake daily. it's better for occasional use. For under $90, it's a solid entry point. Product number 4, Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus. All right, that was a budget pick, but if you're serious about bread, like really serious, this next one is in a league of its own. The Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus costs $533, but it's not just expensive, it's engineered. Dual heaters, double kneading blades, and settings for everything from vegan to salt-free bread. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual heaters, bottom and lid, ensure even browning. No more pale tops or burnt bottoms. The double blades knead dough more thoroughly, which means better texture, especially for whole grain and gluten-free loaves. And the rapid setting gets you a full loaf in under 2.5 hours. If you bake often or have dietary restrictions, this machine pays for itself over time. Now, some people complained about the size. It's heavy and takes up serious counter space. Here's the thing though, this isn't a machine you hide away. It's a centerpiece, and at 24 pounds, it's built to last decades. This is perfect for you if you bake weekly, have dietary needs, or just want the best possible results. Skip this one if you're a casual baker or live in a small apartment. It's an investment, but for fresh, bakery-quality bread at home, nothing beats it. Product number 5, Amazon Basics Bread Maker. Finally, if you want simplicity and value, the Amazon Basics Bread Maker at $84 is hard to ignore. It's lightweight, compact, and has 14 settings, including Express Bake, which delivers a loaf in under 90 minutes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Express Bake feature is a game changer if you're short on time. Need bread for dinner? Start it at 4 p.m. and it's ready by 5:30. The LCD display is clear and the non-stick pan makes cleanup effortless. It's also one of the lightest machines here, easy to store or move around. Now, some people complained about the lack of a delay timer, a surprising omission at this price. Here's the thing though, if you don't need overnight baking, it's not a deal breaker. The build feels a bit basic, but it's solid for the price. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-frills machine for occasional use. Skip this one if you need advanced settings or plan to bake large loaves regularly. It maxes out at 2 pounds. For under $90, it's a great starter machine. So which one should you buy? If you're a beginner, go with the Oipto for its versatility. On a budget, the Elite Gourmet or Amazon Basics deliver solid results. Want the best? Zojirushi is unmatched. And if you want a trusted brand with clean design, Cuisinart is reliable. No matter which you pick, you're about to enjoy fresh, homemade bread. And that's worth every penny.